Alright, so now that I've got my screen duplicatable, I'm going to go ahead and Option drag to the right. So holding down Option will allow you to copy objects if you don't have that in your back pocket. So I'm going to call this screen home using that slash. Change that base to slash. Just nice little organizational method. Okay, so in this case, home, and I'm going to grab my nav bar and change the screen from default to home. If you look, I forgot to name all of my variants. No big deal. Just go to each one. I can change them now. Schedule. Favorites. Search. Messages. Got that? Okay, so now we'll go, we've got home. Alright, so copy that. Screen slash favorites. Grab the next one, screen slash search. So hopefully you can see this as helpful, because for the project that we'll be working on, you will be doing at least 16 frames, likely many more. So it's not that big a deal to change these 5 times, but it's a huge deal to do it 16 times or 20 times or 50 times. App interactions tend to be very big, and you don't want to end up having to change 100 frames all one at a time. Probably you've been in that position before, and so hopefully you're seeing the light when it comes to this. All right, so now for the prototyping.